Today I'm going to show you how I create this social media post using Adobe Photoshop. Okay, so let's get into it. Firstly, I have included all those assets I am going to use in this social media post as a PSD in the description, so you can download it and follow with me. Here I open the Photoshop. Once you open the PSD, you will be looking at a file like this. So let's get started. Okay, now I'm going to select this one, select Ctrl T to transform it and make it bigger like this, and I'm going to place it right here. So now I'm going to select that background image layer and lock it. So now I'm going to select this branch and place it like right here, Ctrl T to transform and place it like here. Alright, okay, now I'm going to select this barrel and Ctrl T to transform it, and transform it like that. So the barrel's perspective isn't correctly as we want, so I'm going to correct it pressing Ctrl T and choose perspective, and I'm going to adjust its perspective like so. Alright, let's align it to the canvas. So to do that, I'm going to select align to canvas and align it to horizontal. Alright, now I'm going to select this flower and place it like right here. Okay, Ctrl T to transform, make it smaller. Now select this and make it bigger, make it tall actually, like that, and place this one right here. Ctrl T to transform it, make it smaller, a bit small, like so, and select this one, and I'm going to mask this part out. So I'm going to get the lasso tool and select this part and select the mask. Alright, and I'm going to press Ctrl I button. Okay, now I'm going to select this one, place it like right here, Ctrl T to transform it. That will be good. And I'm going to select the branch. So there we go. I'm going to place it right above this PNG line. Alright, so okay, now I'm going to select this sun rays and Ctrl T to transform it and make it bigger like so, and place it like right here. Okay, so the sunlight will be coming from this side, and I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to go for the magic wand tool and choose the sample size as point sample, tolerance will be 20, and contagious, I'm going to click on it and select this black color. Alright, and I'm going to create a mask and Ctrl I for invert the mask and place it horizontally centered. Now I'm going to select this light gray and lock it as well. Right, now I'm going to select this B and I'm going to place it right here, make it smaller a bit like so. Alright, okay, now I'm going to get the product photo. Alright, now I'm going to go for select tab and select the subject. Alright, now we got a pretty good selection right there. We have to fix this selection. So to do that, I'm going to grab the rectangle marquee tool and choose subtract from selection right here, and create a rectangle selection like that. Alright, okay, now I'm gonna select the mouse button. Alright, so now I'm gonna Ctrl T to transform it and place it like right here. Alright, so now I'm gonna select it and convert it to smart object. Alright, the perspective of this product as well not matching, so I'm going to Ctrl T and choose the perspective and adjust the perspective like so. Alright, so now I'm going to create a new layer and get the grass brush, and I've downloaded this grass brush from brushes. This one would be good, and I'm going to hold Alt and pick a color like right here, a light greenish color maybe, and create a, like that, create a brush, and choose a darker green color now, and create a another layer and place it right below this layer, and create a brush like that, and Ctrl T to flip it horizontal. Alright, so now select both of them, Ctrl T, and bring it down like so. Now I'm going to select this natural honey PNG and place it on the top, and create a ellipse, hold shift and create it so the circle is perfect, and make it horizontally aligned, and place it right under the natural honey PNG, and then select the ellipse color as like this honey color would be good. That would be good, and go for the blending option, choose inner shadow and increase opacity a little bit, and the distance, so I'm going to go for like adjust these settings like so. Alright, now let's add depth to this social media post by creating shadows, highlights. Here I'm going to select the barrel first, and I'm going to create a new layer right above the barrel and create a clipping mask to that. The adjustment I made in this layer will be only affected to this barrel because I clipped it to this barrel PNG. Alright, and get the pen tool so you can basically see the light comes from this side. Alright, so there must be shadow in this side, so as well I'm going to select this part of this barrel. Alright, okay, now I'm gonna create a little bit basic selection for the barrel only. Right, so like that. Okay, now I'm gonna make a selection. Okay, I'm going to select this color right that, and I'm going to increase the brush size like so. This might be good, and I'm going to create a shadow like so. Okay, now Ctrl D to delete. Okay, right, now I'm going to create the shadow. So basically we have this product on this barrel and this honey on this barrel. There must be shadow casting on right here because the light comes from this side. So I'm going to create a shadow underneath this, create a new layer right below this layers. Okay, now I'm going to get the brush tool and flatten this shape like so, decrease the brush size, and create a shadow like that. So now I'm going to get the pen tool, create a path of the edge of this barrel like so. And I'm going to make a selection and select this shadow layer we have just created and create the mask bar. Alright, there must be shadow on this product photo and the honey photo as well right below these edges. Alright, so to create that I'm going to group this product photo and the honey photo, and I'm going to create a new layer on the top of that group and create a clipping mask to that group, and get the brush tool and soft brush paint a little bit of shadow right in the edge. Okay, if we have this product photo right in front of this honey, we should have a shadow between this product photo and the honey photo. So to do that I'm going to go inside the group and create a new layer right between this product photo and the honey photo, and get the soft round brush and create a shadow like that. Okay, now I'm going to add highlights. To do that, firstly I'm going to add the barrel's highlight. To do that, I'm going to create a new layer right above the barrel layer and clip it to the barrel. Okay, and get the brush tool and hold Alt and choose this sun rays color, would be white as well, and yeah, paint like that. And I'm going to select this product photo, and right above I'm going to create a new layer and clip it to the product photo and get the brush tool and make the brush smaller and create a highlight like that. Softly brush on the edges to create those highlights. And if you paint more than you want, you can always choose the erase tool and choose hardness 0 and remove the areas you should not have paint, and get the brush tool back, paint it like so, and yeah, like so. Now I'm going to create a new layer right above all the layers and choose brush and choose a soft round brush, increase the size maybe and increase like so, and choose yellowish color and paint it like right here and make it a screen, yeah, like so, and like right here I'm going to place it like right here. Right, now I'm going to select the background layer and unlock it and go for the filter for black gallery, till shift, and I'm going to adjust this like so. So I'm going to place this focal point like right here, decrease the blur a little bit like that, and select OK. Create a curves adjustment layer right above the top of all layers and decrease the curve like so. Alright, now get the brush tool, get a soft round brush, make the foreground color as the black color, and yeah, paint it like that. Okay, so the edges are still will be darker. Ctrl J to duplicate it few times, Ctrl J to group it. I'm going to select this flower right here, and there are some white edges on that flower, so I hold Ctrl button and select thumbnail of that PNG and go for the select button, modify, contract it by maybe 3 pixels and select OK and create a mask. And I'm going to get the brush tool, create a new layer right above that, yellow as the foreground color. I'm going to make the blending mode screen, little bit of flare in like that, and decrease the opacity like so. Alright, now I'm going to go for the barrel, and underneath the barrel I'm going to create a newer layer while yellow as the foreground color, and I'm going to paint a glowing edge like right here. So I'm going to choose screen. I'm going to choose D as default color, so the foreground color would be black. I'm going to change it and foreground color as the white, and make the brush look like this, and create a brush like that and place it like right here. Ctrl T to transform it, zoom it a little bit, Ctrl T to duplicate it, Ctrl J to duplicate it, and yeah, create it like that. Now I'm going to go for barrel, and right below the barrel I'm going to create a new layer and choose the foreground color as the yellow, and choose the blending mode of that layer as a screen and create a brush like that. Unlock all the layers I have locked and Ctrl Alt Shift T, and then I'm going to create the levels adjustment layer and choose the auto function. Okay, so that's how I created this social media post using Adobe Photoshop.